Customizing this website is an exciting step. First, go down to the online store and click on Customize over here to the right. This will take us to the Shopify editor, which is really laid out in a very clear and logical way, I think. If you check the top right over here, you will see where you can change the different devices your customers might be viewing with. You can see the desktop view, mobile view, and full screen mode too. This feature allows you to view your website on as many different devices as possible to get an idea of how your website looks on various screens. It's always good to see how your store appears on a mobile device because many customers will be browsing from their phones. By optimizing your mobile view early on in your editing process, you can ensure a seamless experience for your visitors. Let's go back to the desktop view. As you can see, when we move our cursor around this editor, we notice blue dotted outlines around different sections like the header section and footer section. Each section has different elements in it. When you hover over these sections, you will see that it becomes highlighted, indicating that you can edit this section. To add testimonials or any new content, click on Add Section. Here, you can add a multi-column layout, which is a pretty good layout for displaying multiple items or information. It will be added right there in the editor. You can customize anything that you want to apply on this website just by clicking on it. This allows you to edit the content of that section easily. You can have images, add descriptions in bold, in italics, and even add links if you want to. Now, coming over to the left side of your screen, we have other available tools to make use of in customizing our store. These features are for modifying the various sections. You can add one or two more sections and remove sections too. You can also change the positions of sections on your home page by clicking on the 6 tiny dots on any of these sections and then dragging up or down. This is very convenient and easy to use, allowing you to rearrange your website layout however you like. Okay, now let's try adding a new section to the template. We can add sections by sliding in between the lists. As you can see, a blue line with a plus sign appears. I'll just click on it, then come over to this list and select any kind of section I want. We have collection lists, rich text, slideshows, collages, multi-rows, and much more. This can help personalize the shopping experience and make your store feel more inviting. Always remember that if you want to make any changes to what's in the box of each section, you make use of the editing window at the right side. This window allows you to edit the content in detail. You can add images, change text styles, and adjust settings like bold, italics, and links. Let's customize a lot about our theme settings now. Over here at theme settings on the side of the screen, you have options for color themes, hover effects, animations, layout, typography, and so much more. The color scheme includes up to 5 different schemes, which you can select and customize. The background color can be changed, and you can use the color palette to make it blend in with your overall theme. The way you go about choosing colors can really impact the look and feel of your store. Maybe you want something bright and vibrant, or perhaps a more subdued and professional palette fits your brand better. Typography is another important aspect. You can choose from a collection of fonts and spend a lot of time going through to figure out what your best preference is. This allows you to make your text stand out and ensure it is sufficient and blends in with the overall design of your store. Sometimes, the right font can convey the tone of your brand better than anything else. For instance, a fun, playful font might be perfect for a toy store, while a sleek, modern font might work better for a tech gadget store. Over here, where we have the footer, you can add a collapsible content section. I'll use this for, let's say, frequently asked questions. This feature is really cool because it allows you to group information in a way that is easily accessible but doesn't clutter the page. If you want to provide additional details about shipping policies, returns, or any other important information, this is a great way to do it without overwhelming your visitors. If you check the bottom right, you'll see where it says Remove Section. You can use this to delete any section that you no longer need. This makes it very easy to manage your content and keep your website looking clean and organized. Now, let's add some final touches. Select a collection of features on your home page. You can name this collection anything you like. For instance, you could say New Arrivals and set the maximum number of products to be shown. You can choose a number of columns, maybe 2 or 3 columns, to display the products. You also have the option to choose the button style for your product links, such as solid, outline, or link. This allows you to enhance the visual appeal of your call to action buttons. A solid button might stand out more and encourage clicks, while an outline button might blend in more subtly with your design. To see how your changes look, click on Exit at the top left to go back to the theme area where you started. Then you can go over to view your store at the right side at the top right of the dashboard. This will show you how your site would look like after it has been fully customized. As you can see, everything we did has been applied and your website now has a professional and polished look. By following these steps, you can make your Shopify store unique and appealing to your customers. Remember, you can always go back and make more changes as you see fit. Customizing your store is an ongoing process, and with each tweak, you're making your online presence stronger and more effective. So, what if you want to get more granular with your customization? You can add various elements such as social media icons, buttons, and promotional banners to highlight sales or special offers. This not only enhances the aesthetics appeal, but also improves the functionality of your store. You can add testimonials to build trust with new customers or highlight best-selling products to drive more sales. Another useful feature is the ability to create custom pages. You might want to add an About Us page to share your brand story or a Contact Us page to make it easy for customers to reach out. These pages can be created by clicking Add Page under the Outline Store section and then using the editor to add text, images, and other content. Don't forget about the power of integrating apps. Shopify has a robust app store with tools that can help you with everything from email marketing to inventory management. Installing apps can add new features to your store, automate tasks, and provide valuable insights into your business. Lastly, always keep an eye on your analytics. By understanding what your visitors are doing on your site, how many people convert you to customers and actually make a sale, and which products are most popular, you can make informed decisions to improve your store. Shopify's analytics tools are incredibly powerful and can provide detailed reports on sales, customer behavior, and more. This information is crucial for optimizing your store and ensuring it meets your customers' needs. To finish up, click on Save at the bottom right side of your screen. This ensures that all your changes are saved and applied. Then you can click on View Your Store to see the final result. As you explore your store, you'll see how all the elements you added and customized come together to create a cohesive and attractive online shopping experience. By taking the time to carefully customize your Shopify store, you're setting yourself up for success. Your store will not only look great, but also function smoothly, providing a positive experience for your customers and encouraging them to return. So keep experimenting, keep tweaking, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Your store is a reflection of your brand, and with Shopify, the possibilities for customization are virtually endless.